Hi, my name is Pradeep Kaur. I am a student of your class CMNS125 and today I am here to give my video presentation on topic computer hardware. I am a student of computer information system and I chosen this topic because I am very much interested in this and hope you all will like this. Now I am going to say that what is computer hardware. Computer hardware are physical component of a computer that we can see and touch and feel. These are keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. These are not only the outer parts of a computer, these are also that which are inside the computer, which are motherboard, hard disk drive, sound drive. Now I'm talking about its requirements. Hardware and software need to require to install. For an operating system we need to install hardware. For this, like if we talk about a Windows 8.1, its hardware are processor which is 1 gigahertz and its RAM which is 1 gigabyte, and its hard disk drive is 20 GB or a 16 GB. Now I'm going to talk about its difficulties. Its difficulties are if we spill a water on its desktop, that create a huge problem. We also need to keep our PC on a basic environment on its suitable requirement, that we should and we need to clean its fan on regular basis so that the motherboard will not create any problem. Not only this, its basic problem is also its RAM, that sometimes fixes its RAM is also its basic difficulties. Now I am talking about growth in computer hardware. As we all know, the employment in a computer hardware is increases by 7% from 2012 to 2012, and many hardware it's pretty much, but rather than other occupation, many hardware and software installers want to become its managers, and this is increasing day by day and its revenue is increasing, totally increasing. Now its opportunities, it gave us many opportunities in these jobs, like we talk about its job, manufacturer jobs, technician, computer technicians, its security specialist, and many other are there in which we can create our field. And now about computer technicians. The main point of computer technician is to repair and install a computer, and to keep our computer from basic problems, keep our away from basic its problems, how to install hardware, how to architecture it. Now I'm talking about computer security specialist. Computer security specialist is that person who keep our and restore our computer from different threats. As these threats can be internal or external, any type of threats can be there, and the responsibility of this person is to keep this computer away. Now it's a disaster recovery specialist. We know that natural disaster is must, which create a different type of problem, and security specialist is that who keep our computer from all this disaster away. Once we learn about this, we make our computer away from this. Now it's a time about who is system administrator. System administrator is that who design the computer, who make its parts on a proper basis, who keep our computer on its process, that the person who make our computer and install its parts on business. And another one, now it's talking about its qualification. Qualifications are that a person should be certified. He should be bachelor in computer hardware, in masters, and he should have a adequate degree to become a technician or any other job related field job regarding computer hardware. Mathematics plays a very important role in computer hardware. As we all know that a numerical is carried out of on a digital computer. Everything is if we talk about the software, mathematics plays a very important role in software and hardware both, because now electrical design, it's a time in computer hardware. Research area involves the design, analysis, design analysis, modeling, and a computer system on chips, architecture, gates, and its sub areas are now about computer architecture. Computer architecture is that who refers to identification of a system physical component, who identify it properly. The person one who identify its parts on a proper basis, like where it should be where the parts should be kept and installed. Now its personal qualification. Personal qualification are analytical and critical thinking. First of all, enabling its first of all clarifying the problem, then creating a problem, then making a problem in a short parts, then analyzing it. After that, communication devices. Communication devices are that with which help us to communicate with computer. These are the different things like a camera, modem, monitor, CPU. These are the many things which we relate us to communicate with this device, as these play a very different role while communicating user to computer, as communication is a necessary part of life, so it plays a very important role in communicating. Next is designing computer hardware. We need to design a computer hardware on proper basis, as where the CPU should be there, where the mouse should be there, and if we talk about its motherboard, there are different parts in a motherboard, like a hard disk drive, and different things, chips, which we need to relate properly. Now testing and debugging. There are two type of testing. One is white box testing and one is black box testing. White box testing is that which we test internal parts of the computer, and black box testing is that which create a functionality on testing. Now hardware development. New hardware development is that as the size of the hardware is becoming smaller, and price is also becoming smaller. Not only in this, but its efficiency, its speeds, everything is increasing day by day, as hardware is recently very much developing, which makes a person's work easier. We as computer hardware is our required base field, so we need to develop it properly. This plays a very important role. Now now this was all about computer hardware. Now it's a conclusion, as this whole presentation was on a computer hardware, and we learned many things in this computer hardware, like what is computer hardware, what are its basic functions. Hope you all like. Thank you.